Hi everyone, and since April 14, Shiba Inu crypto has been stuck between two levels. Cautious perception of the pattern shows an example that proposes transport is prepared for a rapid ascent as the April 20th date drew nearer. Revenue in picture coins developed, which made individuals contemplate the main picture coin, Dogecoin. At any rate, monetary supporters were disturbed that Elon Musk didn't contribute and that the cost of Dogecoin and its capacity to sort out exacerbated things. The cost of Bitcoin went up by around 5% due to an unexpected expansion in the quantity of individuals attempting to sell it. As the week went on, that number went up to 10%. Regardless of what the new occasion is, the cost of a Shiba Inu seems as though it will go up rapidly and could follow the way that Dogecoin besieged down in this film. We'll discuss, would you think it was really smart before May 20 you can purchase a Shiba Inu coin? Quit exactly on schedule with news about transportation. Make sure to smash the thumbs up offer and become involved with the channel to see our latest substance on Shiba Inu value figures and expert examination. Going right along, we should begin the show. Will we? Shiba Inu cost hit a nearby high of 0.157 on February 4 and came around 38 in the following month at 0.964 on April 10th. The lower part of this decline was framed from that point forward. Transport has been firmly bent in a mix. This band, which was simply assembled, goes from 0.101 to 0.117. With cautious reasoning, you can figure out that liquidity clears or sets off a questionable move. For instance, the arrive at high at 0.101 was broken on April 15 and was trailed by a few 4-hour candles that shut under 117 pennies. This by stop liquidity, get cost of 14-day downswing of Shiba and his excellent fell. It got through the 0.101 level and has risen very nearly 4% as of this composition. Assuming similar arrangement of occasions reoccurs with Shiba Inu, the cost could return up to 0.117 and test the high once more. Yet assuming that purchasing pressure develops and upholds both, it could go up and test the 126 pennies level again, which is the center of the 38 mishaps that occurred between February 4th and walk 10th. From where we are presently, this move would be a 22 leap. As the social occasion wraps up, things could turn out badly if the Shiba Inu cost doesn't answer this good energy. This could occur assuming the boat shuts its 4-hour candle underneath 0.101 and transforms into an obstruction level. It will obliterate the rising hypothesis. For this situation, the cost of a Shiba Inu could return to the 38 mishap low of 96 pennies. A top exchange, Dubai, said that it needs to list the bone of the Shiba Inu Shiba Exchange Organization bunch today. Pseudo as a business, Dubai, that is developing, immediately declared a date for the authority posting of Bone Shiba Exchange Bone, the organization identification of Shiba Exchange, and a legitimate declaration through its Twitter account on Sunday. The exchange affirmed that it intends to list Bone today as one of the top exchanges. Dubai UAE Pseudo will open an issue that actually should be worked out. Monetary supporters, which could prompt a surge of gathering and more premium in the asset. The UAE has continued showing its obligation to turning into a Web3 source by requesting great guidelines permitting crypto advancement. To call attention to open today, ensured set up a tweet and attempting to show that it is as yet centered around giving Bone assistance. The Cedo bunch got some information about the Bone posting. The improvement has, as you would expect, encouraged guards. The new news comes about 7 days after Cedo said it would put the asset at the highest point of a review that got some information about the task. The exchange ought to come following up, despite the fact that Cedo said it would offer both. The trade didn't give a firm date. A notable business in Seychelles called Bull has conveyed a survey to figure out which picture tokens it ought to add to its establishment. The exchange concluded that the 3 tokens with the most votes out of 5 would be leaned to participate. Clients should store no less than $10 worth of the favored asset in their Bull satchels. As per an alternate survey, Bone is as of now in the lead position with an extraordinary 62 for its Chinese record. The quantity of votes since the survey was conveyed. A Power Bull wallet is said to have been gathering Bone and setting aside to $1,611,000 worth of it. In this large number of good changes, rewards set up a rebound against the bears, hardening its situation as one of the most mind-blowing ways of getting the main 500 tokens on CMC. the cost of the asset has gone up by 6.1% as of now, making it worth $1.20. Late reports show that Shiba Inu has kept on standing out from its sponsor. India is an especially dynamic market for the asset, which is a major step in the right direction, quite possibly. Of India's greatest quality, CoinSwitch has said that Shiba Inu was the most traded thing on Today webpage over the course of the last week. CoinSwitch declared this on its genuine Twitter account in light of the times it exchanged between April 15 and April 20. The summary shows the main 5 trade assets on the stage as of now, with Shiba Inu at the top. Next is Litecoin. BTC Doge is in 3rd spot and ETH is in 5th. The story shows how much cash individuals will pay for Shiba Inus in India. Transport turned out to be increasingly more well-known after some time. Vitalik Yet Aaron, who was quite possibly the earliest individual to chip away at Ethereum, gave 50 trillion Shiba Inu coins to the Indian COVID help resource a long time back. At the time, the products were believed to be valued at $1 billion. Since it became public, Shiba Inu has turned into the go-to speculation decision for most Indian crypto financial backers, coordinating an immense measure of trade traffic. The country Shib was the best trade site on CoinSwitch for a considerable length of time, directly from February 25 to Walk 11. Since February 5, the assets generally had a spot in the main 5 overview. These reports from CoinSwitch depend on a review that Wozurk shared before your hatchet was likewise a major piece of the crypto exchange India. In December 2022, it was uncovered that Shiba Inu was the most well-known asset for first-time brokers in quite a while. In 2022, transportation was the 5th most exchanged asset on Lazerts. In October 2022, our reports showed that the most exchanged asset was the Shiba Inu India. During that time, Milmax, a supplier of data about the digital money market, showed that BOT was the top-selling token on 3 of India's greatest characteristics, paying a mint piece for Wazerex, despite the fact that the digital money market overall has been going down for the beyond 3 days. DEX Shiba Inu has shown a ton of adaptability. Despite the fact that the asset has been feeling the squeeze, it has figured out how to keep its situation over the essential level at 0.1. A leading body of specialists from Finder had anticipated that its cost would ascend by 350